How to fix sorry we're unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar Games. Now in this video I'll show you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue. Now the very first troubleshooting step that you need to do is to unlink everything that you have from your Rockstar Games account. Head straight into their official site and make sure that you're logged in. Click this Rockstar option and then click account and then go into your account settings. Then once you're here, all I have to do is to click this option here that says link accounts. And then this is where you'll have or you need to unlink everything that you linked or you sync into your Rockstar Games account. Try to relink once again and try to relog in on the game again. If this does not work, then go into your Windows search and type in change time. Choose on date and time settings. And from here, make sure that your current time zone where you're located is currently synced into your PC. So those are the troubleshooting steps that you can do for you to fix we are unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar Games.